So here we are starting with the next question of do as directed. Faites une phrase au comparatif, only comparative, avec les éléments donnés, with the given elements. Right? And believe me, it is very, very, very simple. You need to know three things. Plus plus adjective plus que is more than. Moi plus adjective plus que is less than. And aussi plus adjective plus que is as. Clear, everybody? So now if I look at my first sentence, right? If I'm looking at my first sentence and I will see La Tour Eiffel ho les maisons. Now you can see oh, which means high. Is the Eiffel Tower higher than houses or less high than houses or as high as houses? Alan, what do you say?
Higher.
Higher. So higher means I will write my answer as La Tour Eiffel EST. It has to be an answer. Is PLUS. Plus. I will put an HAUTE. Why E, guys?
Feminine.
Because La Tour Eiffel is feminine. QUE, les maisons. This becomes my only correct answer. 1 mark. See what I did? I made it a sentence. Right? Now, the best thing is, in the last 6 years, if you can see, sentences number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you don't have to make it a sentence. The verb is already given to you. So 99% in day after tomorrow's paper, the verb will be given to you. But in some papers, it has not been given. In the 2015 paper, the verb was given. You can see that. What is le cartable? Ahmad, anybody can tell me. What is le cartable? Anybody, raise your hand.
School bag.
Yes?
School bag.
School bag. Is a school bag heavier than a suitcase or less heavy than a suitcase or as heavy as a suitcase? What do you think? School bag, is it heavier than a suitcase? And don't just think about Sacred Heart High School. Normally, a school bag is less heavy than the suitcase. Do we all agree? Everybody? Normally. So I will write my sentence as, Mariam, what is less heavy than, what is less?
Moins.
Moins. Fantastic. Will I make a change to the adjective LOURD, Mariam?
No. No.
No, because the cartabla, which is the subject, is masculine singular. I will just put a QUE and la valise, and this becomes my correct answer. Is it going superbly easy, guys? Yes? Now, who will tell me? We all know what is elephant. Okay. What is le singe? Alan.
I don't know.
Joshua, can you tell me what is the singe?
Sir, lion.
Monkey. Lion is Leo. Monkey. Now, is a monkey bigger than the elephant? As big as or less big than? Less big than. So that means my answer is going to be extremely easy here. It is going to be le singe, right? And I will write EST is, because I'm making a sentence out of it, right? Then I will put MOINS. Am I right, Joshua? Yes. Joshua, after ground, what will I put?
Sir, QUE.
Thank you so much. And l'éléphant. Is that very, very easy, everybody? Yes? Are we solving this very nicely and very easily? Chalo, let's take a look at the next one. La tablette tactile. Touchscreen tablet. Jasmine, can you tell me the meaning of the word share? It means either dear or expensive. And what is le portable?
Phone.
Mobile. So is a tab more expensive than, as expensive as, or less expensive? Don't tell me, sir, depends upon the brand. Can we nicely say as expensive as here? Yes?
Yes.
Thank you, Trisha. So could you give me the answer, Trisha, since you said yes?
La tablet tactile.
Yes. After that, we have to make a sentence. So what do I put?
EST.
Very good. Continue. Now I want to put
And
as.
as
AU SSI. See, will anything happen to share? Rian, what would happen to CHER?
It will change according to the subject.
So, will it become feminine? Yes, it will become. And how will it become feminine? CHER, let me just find. It will become, yes, it will become CHE grave RE. Are you getting it? And of course, I cannot forget the QUE. So remember, step by step, you must. So if you ask me, sir, what are the steps? The steps are very clear. Now, we will discuss each step in detail after the sixth sentence. Okay, here is the next sentence. Lasha. Okay, Ria, start. Lasha is what?
The cat,
And La Tigra is
the tiger,
the tiger. Okay, so tell me, the cat, is it smaller than the tiger? Less
Yes.
small than? It is smaller than. Very good. So first thing is I have to make it a sentence. What should I put, Rian?
MOINS.
No, no, no. First, what should I put? I have to make a sentence.
EST.
Very good. Right. Now, is it less small than or more small than?
Less smaller.
Cat is less small than the tiger or more small?
More, sorry, more.
So what do I put? More.
PLUS.
Fantastic. Do I make any change to Peti?
No.
Fantastic. And now what do I put? QUE, le, tigre. I put a full stop, and this is my exact sentence. So, guys, are we all getting this very, very, very clear, everybody? The sixth one. Now, from the sixth one, each and every year they are given the verb. So, if I want to write down my steps, right? If I just want to write down the steps, what steps will I write for this? Let me just write down the steps for you. Okay? So, my step one in this, in comparative, would be check if Luca Muaka or Osika. This is my step 1. Okay. Once I'm sure of this, then comes my step 2, right? Which is make the adjective agree with the subject. Yeah. Now, if etra is already given, there is no step 3. Etra means either est or sont. Some verb etra, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes. Some verb form of etra. If it is already given, then there is no question of writing anything else. No question of introducing that. But if etra is not given, then you write etra. So, for example, in the 6th one, is the tiger more ferocious than the cat, or less ferocious, or as ferocious? What do you think? Please come on video, everybody. Okay. So, Joshua, what do you say? More, less, or equal? Or as?
More ferocious.
More ferocious. So I will write here plus, and after feroz I will put QUE, and that is my answer. There is no agreement here. My second step did not come into play here because as you could clearly see, it is masculine singular. Yashu, can you give me the answer to the 8th one without me discussing anything with you? Can you, or do you want me to discuss it with you? Yes, Mr. Yashu. Now, you have not been given in this sentence, you have not been given a plus sign or a minus sign or an equal to sign. So you can write anything you want, except for the fact that it should agree with the subject. So if I write here, for example, Marie A plus grand, you have already been given grand. So this must be one of the easiest sentences that has ever come. And then QUE. Clear? Palav, would you solve the 8th one for me? Tell me one thing, Palav. Are films more interesting than novels, less interesting than novels, or equally interesting? Please don't write what you think, write generally. What should be the answer? Which of these 3?
They are as interesting.
No, the answer for your exam would be Plu.
Why?
Okay, Palav? Okay, Palav? That's the general answer. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Palav,
Okay.
write down the answer for me. Tell me. Start. After song, what will I write?
Blue.
Great. Now, after être song, what will I write?
Go.
Yeah. And what will I do with être song? This
Put
couldn't be
an E.
happening to me. Yeah. So I will put an E or an S. Tell me. Now tell me.
Oh, yes. An S. Right.
S. Why S and why not E?
Because lay films. LES FLM.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Your ninth one should be by far the toughest in the exam. So, Hamad, would you like to try it?
Yes, sir.
Start.
They
Girls
feel
are
not.
more ambitious. Acha, by the way, if you have to see a plus sign, it would be more, a minus sign would be minus, and equal to sign. In some sentences like that, they may give you a sign. Just telling you. Now tell me, what will I write?
They feel so more ambitious.
Either moi or plu, both would do. Okay. Now I want to know only one thing, Hamad. What will
Yes.
happen to ambitious?
EUSE.
Ambitious. EUSES or EUSE?
SES.
Very good. Because we have learnt even during adverbs that feminine of EUX is EUSE. So this becomes my answer. Are you all getting this clearly, guys? Everybody's getting this clearly, properly, no
Yes.
tension at all, not going heavy, Trisha.
Sure.
Okay, so Trisha, come on, 2024 paper. This sentence is yours. Start.
Okay. Lavello,
Yes,
EST,
yes.
Flu, Rapid.
So my only thing is, I think you don't know what is Lavello.
No, it's a bike, right?
Cycle.
Okay.
So now
Mua.
tell me the answer. Thank you very much. Great. Moi, rapid, and then you have a ka, and then you have
Yes.
la moto.
Moto.
So here we are. We did this superbly. Okay, Jasmine, since you are laughing so much, the 12th sentence is yours. Start. You're muted if you're trying to talk.
Elephant is gross.
Yes. Carry on.
Gross. Curve. QUE.
Now, there is only one thing here which everybody, this is so important, everybody should see. What is here? There is a vowel clash, and this is my answer. My answer is Q U apostrophe UN. Can you all see that? This is the most important part of the question that had come in the 2025 board paper. You would have lost half a mark just for that. So maybe here I should write down, make the adjective agree with the subject, and QUE, okay, beware of QUE vowel clash. Fair enough, everybody? So these become my 3 important steps in solving this. Are we clear?
Yes.
Now, our next exercise is going to go super fast, very, 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 very super fast. It is adjectives. Are you ready? Everybody, start. Possessive adjective, je के साथ, mama में, tu के साथ, तो ताते, il के साथ, सौ सा से, el के साथ, भी सौ सा से, nous के साथ, notre, notre, no, vous के साथ, votre, votre, vo, il, ils, and elles के साथ, leur, leurs, leurs. Lers. Now, first answer. Sarosh, start. La mer. What is it?
Sir, sa,
Sa. No, it is enfant is plural. Look at that.
SES.
Thank you so much. So what have you understood from here? That son, sa, se depends upon la mer. But which of it is going to be will depend upon the noun which is afterward. Clear? Okay. My demonstrative adjectives are CE for masculine singular, CET for masculine singular vowel or H mute, CETTE for feminine singular, and CES for plural. So Trisha, second one.
CE.
No, it is a masculine singular vowel or H mute. CET. Great. Joshua, my interrogative is QUEL, masculine singular, QUELLE, feminine singular, QUELS, masculine plural, QUELLES, feminine plural. So which one?
Sir, QUELLE.
Livre is masculine singular. See, this is the importance of vocabulary. It is QUEL. Livre, book is masculine singular. Okay, Vanshika, possessive adjectives. Yashu.
Sir, MA.
Okay, you can write MA. Definitely you can write MA. See, now here was the best sentence. There was no hint given to you. So she wrote MA and she gets the marks. Okay. Next one. Sharvari Parlor. PLAT. It's interrogative. You have got four options. QUEL, QUELLE, QUELS, QUELLES. Start.
QUELE.
No, it's only QUEL. It's masculine singular. Kel. Mariam. Demonstrative adjective. CE, CET for masculine singular vowel or H mute. CETTE for feminine singular. And CES for plural.
PE.
CE we just learnt in the previous exercise, right? In one of the previous, that musée is masculine singular. Acha, if there was even a single bit of doubt, you could have seen the adjective intéressant is not adding an E. Right. Abdul Hanan, can you answer me now? Yes. So Abdul Hanan, interrogative means QUEL, QUELLE, QUELS, QUELLES. VILLE, wheel. What is it?
QUELLE.
QUELLE is absolutely right. Rocking. Same way. Next one, Aryaman. Interrogative again, same four options that I gave Abdul. What's your answer?
QUEL.
QUEL because it's masculine singular. Superb. And finally, Yashu, CE, CET, CETTE, and CES. Ninth one. It's not finally, but on this page. Yeah. What's your answer?
CETTE.
CETTE. Fantastic, because ecole is feminine singular. Is anybody here trying to ask me, sir, but it is beginning with a vowel? That rule, CET rule, is only for masculine singular vowel or H mute. Okay? Okay. Last two. Here we go. Possessive adjective. We will ask this question to Tejas. ज के साथ मोमा में, क्यू के साथ तोताते, इल के साथ सौसा से, एल के साथ भी सौसा से. You only need to know this much right now. Tell me.
Sir, sa.
Sa is perfect because watyur is feminine. And my last one, right? Who will answer this for me? Javeri, will you answer? Can you talk?
Yes.
Okay. Possessive
Ma.
adjective. Yes, you can straight away write ma because there is no hint given. And with this, we have finished this topic also. Possessive adjective topic is over. Absolutely. So,